Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. And there's a few things that I've learned to do to balance my intake on social media platforms. And the first thing that I've learned to do is only compare yourself to you. Only compare myself to myself. Am I doing better than I was last year, this year? Am I on the next level? Am I completing my goals a little quicker than I used to? Am I improving myself along the way? I learned that when I compare myself to other people, that's when depression kicks in. So I want to inspire you. Only compare you to you. And the second thing that helps me on this is to find at least one thing that you know you're good at. One thing that's cool about what you're doing. One thing to encourage yourself. There's so many things that we can down ourselves about. But what I've learned to do is find that one thing that I know I'm good at. One thing that I know that's positive in my life to keep me from feeling self-depreciated, feeling depressed, and having that low self-esteem. I want to empower you and inspire you. Find that thing that you know is positive in your life. Somebody is depending on you. Your life means a lot to somebody else. And by the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Let's stay empowered and inspired together. Would love to have you here at Next Level. Being on social media, a lot of illegal things are going to happen. Lawsuits are going to be filed. And that's one of the reasons I made up in my mind. I want to use it to inspire and empower other people. We can either use these social media platforms to tear down, or we can use these things to build up. So I've made up in my mind that I'm going to use my platform to encourage others, to build them up, to follow the rules. There are certain rules that we can break and bend, but there's other things that we don't want to do. Part of my concept here on my channel, going to the next level, is to reconnect to that divine source of God within us, that great I am. To the point where we only treat other people the way we want to be treated. Building each other up, going to the next level, and if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. We want to go to the next level in everything that we do. Maybe you're watching this right now and you're on social platforms and one of your goals may be to start a YouTube channel. You can learn from my mistakes. Check out this video right here coming up on the screen, mistakes that I've made. You can learn from that. I think that will be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out and enjoy it. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. You really mean a lot to the channel. I appreciate you. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, and remember there's nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.